Okay, another new update we have is a loyalty tier system to go along with the Weave loyalty program. So we can find that in marketing and then loyalty. These are all fully customizable with any amount of points to dollar off that you want to set up. It's important to understand that if you set up loyalty tiers, the normal cashback rate is going to be ignored in favor of all of these new tiers. The points per dollar spent will still come into play though, so this is how all of your customers will be earning their points, and then you'll either have the loyalty tier system or the cashback rate set up in terms of them redeeming their points. Okay, so I just switched to a location that doesn't have any tier set up yet, so we can walk through that. So this is what it'll look like if you have not yet configured any tiers, so we can click Get Started and start building them out. So it's pretty simple. We'll just do 100 to 10, and then let's do one more here. We'll do 200 to 15, click the plus, and there you go. And that's how you will build out all of your tiers. So from here, all that's left to do is to redeem those, and that'll happen obviously in the order, so let's walk through that. Okay, so once you're in the order, you're going to select your payment tender here, and just like you would before, you'll click on the loyalty points, and now here you're going to see all of the available tiers that can be redeemed. So at this point, I only have 101 loyalty points, so the only tier I have available to me is this 100 points for $10 off. If I had a lot more, we would see all of the available rewards here that we could redeem on this specific order. This same functionality will show up on the online ordering app as well, so your customers will see their available loyalty tiers that they can redeem for the order that they're currently creating. So I'll click this, enter the PIN, and now the $10 off loyalty tier will be applied. We can see that up here, and now if you want to finish the order, you can do that as you normally would. If you have any questions or concerns or enhancements that you want to suggest us for this system, you can find our contact information here on the support page, or if you want to go to the suggestion, you can send us a suggestion through this form. Thanks.